Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at HEB for the week. Y'all, HEB was on fire. I got all of this stuff for just over $4, which is incredible. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I did these deals, as well as show you additional deals towards the end of the video that I didn't do, but you might be interested for you and your family, as well as show you pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you are here. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. And if you hit the little bell, you will get a notification each time I post a video. All right. The first deal I want to tell you about is a deal that I found in the digital coupons on the HEB app. And it's when you go into your coupons from the HEB app, the very top section is like a just for you or special for you coupons. And in there, those coupons can vary a little bit by user. But for me, I had a $4 off meat, and it was including a number of different of the Mi Tienda products. So this was priced at $4.97, and that $4 digital came off at checkout, making this pack of chicken just 97 cents. So that is a great coupon. There was also another one, and I'm including the pictures towards the end, but like $10 off a $40 baby purchase. And there was one for like bacon wrapped products, but I'll include those pictures towards the end of the video. Okay, another easy peasy deal, and I posted this over on my Instagram page. These Johnny Pops, the mango ones at my store were marked on clearance for $2.49. This week there is a $2.50 yellow coupon, so it made these completely free. So double check your store and see if you have the Johnny Pops, the mango ones, on clearance, because that makes them completely free. Another great deal on Pops this week are the Good Pops, and I'm super excited to try these because they are dairy free. They're priced at $3.88, but there's a yellow coupon for buy one get one free, also a digital coupon. So I used the digital. I paid $3.88 for both of them, but then there is an Ibotta offer for $1 back on each. So I got $2 back on Ibotta, making it $1.88 for both packages, or just 94 cents each. So if you are new to Ibotta, it is a great time to sign up because they are offering a $10 bonus when you sign up using my referral code. I'm also super excited because I have been wanting to do a tutorial on Ibotta for a really long time, and I finally got that posted yesterday. So if you want a complete step-by-step walkthrough of that app and how to use it, I will drop that link down in the video description box below. Another super easy deal, this Florida's Natural Lemonade is $2.28. There is $1 back on Ibotta, making this just $1.28. These no yolks are buy one get one free with coupon this week, so they're $1.59 each. You'll use that buy one get one free, either the digital or the paper coupon, and you'll pay $1.59 for both, or just 79 cents each. Let me tell you about a couple more Ibotta deals that I did. I grabbed this boil in a bag quinoa. It's priced at $2.38, but there's a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final cost just 88 cents. I also grabbed this Ken's salad dressing. It is $1.98, and there is a 65-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.33. I grabbed this a couple of weeks ago, and then I grabbed it again this week. It's the Nando's Peri Peri sauce. There's a few different varieties. It's priced at $3.95. There is a $2 digital for this, so I paid $1.95 at the register, and then I got $1.50 back on Ibotta, making this just 45 cents. Another great deal is on these Airheads. My son loves these. I don't know why. I've never tried them. They're $1.78 regular price, but there is a digital coupon for $4 when you purchase 3 of them. So I grabbed 3 for $4 at the register, and then Ibotta gave me $1 back on each of them. So I got $3 back on Ibotta, making it $1 for all 3, or just 33 cents each. While you're on the candy aisle, check and see if your store has these Mambas marked down. They're 93 cents each. So you buy 2 for $1.86, and Ibotta is giving $1.08 back when you buy 2, making them 78 cents for both, or just 39 cents each. And so sometimes I'll do those lower cost Ibotta offers because it's building towards bonuses on Ibotta. I think I'm just a couple offers away from another $5 bonus, which will make this haul even better. So definitely take advantage of those bonuses on Ibotta. There's another savings program that I've been using lately, and it is text-based, and the program is Aisle. I'll drop a link to it down in the video description box below, but I grabbed this Good Culture cottage cheese priced at $1.37. Ibotta had an offer for $1.49 back, so that's already free and a little bit of a moneymaker. But then Aisle also had an offer for $1 back, so I submitted my receipt to Aisle, and I got the $1 back there, making this cottage cheese completely free and $1.12 moneymaker. I also grabbed these Siete grain-free tortilla chips. I've been wanting to try these, but they're priced at $3.98. Again, they're dairy-free, so I'm excited to try that. $3.98 for this size bag, I think is expensive. There is a $1 digital coupon that you can use at the register, so you'll pay $2.98, but then Aisle gave me back $2 for buying this product, so it made the bag just 98 cents. Now I'm afraid I'm going to love them, and then the deal will be gone, and I'll have to pay full price for them again. Let's see, I think that covered almost all the food. This baby food is an amazing deal. So last week, these were priced at $1.28, and there was a digital coupon for $10 off 10. So that was already a good deal. This week, they were marked down to 90 cents each. Because I had not used that $10 off 10 coupon, I used it this week, and it made all 10 of these jars completely free. So that coupon did take off $9 at the register, so no overage on the coupon, but I did get all 9 of them for free, and that is a great donation item for a local food bank. I also grabbed this sunscreen. So check your stores because a lot of the sunscreen is being marked down right now. So this Banana Boat sunscreen was marked at $3.48 at my store. It was originally $7, so 50% off. I had that $3 off any sun care digital, so that came off at the register, making this sunscreen just 48 cents, and it's good. I always check the expiration date on sunscreen because I burn super easily, and it doesn't expire until 2023, so for 48 cents, I thought that was a great price. Also, if you haven't used your $3 digital on the Febreze plugin, these are priced at $2.94. That $3 digital does take $3 off, so it makes it free and a 6-cent moneymaker. I also grabbed this Maybelline foundation. Yes, I know this is not my color. Someone asked me in a past video, what do you do with the makeup that you buy that you don't use? I donate it or I give it to friends, give it away. But this was on clearance for $1.49. There was a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making it completely free. I also grabbed this Balmex diaper rash. Again, if you know me, you know this is a donation item because I do not have a baby. It's priced at $3.98. There is a $2 coupon that I'll link for you down in the description box. So you'll pay $1.98, but then Ibotta is giving you back $3, making this item completely free and a $1.02 moneymaker. I think my favorite moneymaker this week is on the Energizer products. So if you're not using the Checkout 51 app, they have some amazing offers, and right now some super high value offers. So there was an offer on any Energizer Light for $6.25 back, and you could do that 5 times. So I grabbed 2 of these priced at $4.12. and submitted my receipt to checkout 51, and I got $6.25 back both times, making them a $2.13 moneymaker each. I then grabbed one of these Energizer pin lights. It was on clearance at my store, so it was $5.37. I think the regular price was closer to $7. But again, I submitted my receipt to checkout 51, and I got $6.25 back, making it free and an 88-cent moneymaker. And there are so many different Energizer products that qualify for that rebate, but do act fast because checkout 51 rebates can go away super quickly. So if that's a deal you want to do, I would run out and do it today. Make sure the offer is there in your app, like at checkout, like at the register. Make sure it's still there because it could disappear at any time. What else did I get? Was that everything? I think that was everything. So overall, after all of the rebates, cashback, moneymakers, it ended up being $4.27 for all of this, and that doesn't even include any bonuses on Ibotta. Like I said, I think I'm a few offers away from another $5 back. So huge savings at HEB this week. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm about to post additional matchups for you with digital coupons and cashback apps, just items that I didn't need personally, and then clearance items at the very end. If you're not already following me on Facebook, you can find me at facebook.com/savingwithchristina, as well as over on my Instagram page, Save with Christina. Hope y'all have a fabulous weekend. Thanks.